Okay, so it's a pretty nice evening here in England, and I thought what a nice day to try and fly the drone. I've come on the bicycle and I thought I'll come to this field by Warwick Uni, which is nice and open, and I'll be able to fly my drone around. As I was riding past, someone else is already here with theirs, so that's fun. We've got Lime bikes in Coventry now and everyone's riding them. I saw these people earlier. Oh, there they are. They'll have fun going down there on a Lime bike. They don't stand a chance. Anyway, I hope these people move with their drone in a minute so I can fly. They've just flat spotted them tyres. Anyway, I hope they move so I can actually fly mine. So we've got quite the activity hub going on. We've got the Lime bikes over there, and that drone is like up there somewhere. I can hear it. Anyway, hopefully they finish soon. Their battery can't be much longer unless they've got more than one. That'd be annoying. Yeah, I'm going to be honest, it isn't looking brilliant. They've been flying for like the past 10 minutes and the parents keep looking at me, so we might have to move or give up. One of them. Okay, I swapped place. You can tell it's been a while because the sun is basically gone. But we're by this like dodgy cricket pavilion. But it says CCTV in operation, so I'm not, loving this. It's also really dodgy. Like this table, there isn't much left of it, and there's a padlock on the door. Anyway, I guess we'll fly this drone over this cricket field. There is a road there, so it's not the most incredible surroundings, but we might see something. But yeah, let's get this drone out. This has been more effort than I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. Let's do that. Let's take that off before I forget. Is there an SD card in it? Yeah, good. Ooh dear, that wobbled everything. How can I balance this? That'll do. Okay, phone. Ooh, it's on the phone. I've just realised I can't actually record audio because the mic's on the phone and I need the phone for flying. Little bit of a misinput by me there. Oh well. Okay, so you're going to be left with GoPro audio because the mic isn't going to mic. So let's go. I guess we're hand launching this. Oh, we've got this already.